In this tutorial, we want to draw this maternity clinic logo in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So we start by going for our circle and ellipse tool, and then we go to Shift Control, and then we try to draw a perfect circle. Now we after that we go for our selection tool, and then with the selection tool go to edit and do a duplicate. Now let's give the duplicates a different color, just for us to be able to identify it from the original. Now go to Shift Control and make it a bit smaller, like something like this is okay. Now bring it here, and first of all I will do a duplicate of the circle, bigger circle, and then we keep it here. We'll be needing it. Now do a duplicate of the smaller circle, and then move it somewhere here. Let's give it a different color so we can identify. By the way, to draw I did Shift Control to draw to get a perfect circle, because with the shifts I get the aspect ratio right, and the control, it maintains it at where I am, so it's not distorted in any form. Okay, now with this, put this here and select this and move this to the end here. Now I forgot to have told you something. Go here and enable snapping, because this if you enable snapping and enable snap nodes, including this one here, including quadrant points of ellipse. Now if we are here already, but we can check in case you want to place this in such a way that it snaps at the corner here with this bigger circle under, and the same way we want to place this that it snaps at the corner here with respect to the bigger circle, the corner there. Now let's give we select everything, and then go to objects, fill and stroke, and then this dialog box opens up. Now we want to give what we've drawn a stroke, so go to stroke style, because now we have stroke zero, nothing there. First keep to stroke paint and then click here. Now I don't know what style you have, so go to style, and then I would suggest you go to pixels, and then we want to increase the stroke style to 0.2 pixels. It's very thin stroke around it. Now with everything still selected, go to path and do combine. Now we go for our rectangle tool, and then we draw a rectangle on what we've drawn. We can give it any other color. Now go and select it, use your selection tool, and then we move this rectangle below. Now with the rectangle already selected, go to Shift and select this, and then go to path and do division. Now with everything divided, click outside first of all, and then we come back again and we click on this outer part. You see that it's now not the whole rectangle, so delete it. Press delete on your keyboard. Now come to this one and press delete on your keyboard, and then come to this and press delete on your keyboard. Now select everything, and now we want to remove the stroke, so we come to stroke paint and then press here no paint. It's already selected. Then go to path and then do union. so that we have this piece here, because we were looking for this piece here. Now select this thing here and then right click and do a duplicate. Now the duplicates give it a different color, and then rotate it 90 degrees. Now we come here and place it on this one like this, and then we the same thing. You can also do a duplicate, as I said, by going to edit and duplicate, and then the duplicate, let's give it a different color just for identification, and then we rotate it again 90 degrees clockwise, and then we place it somewhere here. So now we are finished with designing our thing. I would now start coloring it what color we want. I colored this. You can color it whichever color you want, but if you want to know the colors I used, let's close this here, and then we go to view and then go to swatches, and then this pops up. When this pops up, I'm very sure if you've not used swatches before, yours will be like this. Now move this. I just want to move this up a bit. You can extend this a bit, and then we now choose let's use the color. I think I want to use the was it the blue? No, I did not use the blues. I used Bootstrap 5, sorry. So choose Bootstrap 5. Now we start using these color palettes. So come here, and then this, I gave it this color here. This we almost gave it, I think the color came out very nice. I gave it this color here. Now I'm even thinking this color looks better, but anyway, I gave it this color here, this one, and then this, I gave it this color here. Arrange your thing in such a way that it lies nicely. Now we want to write a maternity clinic, so we go for our text tool, and then we write maternity. I'm using sans serif. The text font, the font I'm using is sans serif. We write maternity. The font size would depend on how big your thing was, you know, for it to be reasonable. Then we write maternity maternity clinic, and then we would want to first use this and this together to get it round, and then after I will put it there. So let's change this now. This circle here, go to path, object to path, and then we select this, and then let's see here how big the font is. Something like this is okay, because it goes over a little bit, because it's going to be curved if you think of it. So you want to curve it here. Okay, now we select this and go to shift and select this, and we go to test, and then we go to put on path. Now this puts this on this path, but we want it inside. So what we will do is that we will let's select the circle, and we go to this one here, and then we press this. You could even both selected this, the text and the circle would have been the same. You would have the same. You just want to flip it, the selected object horizontally, so that it comes to lie here. I have to select this, not this. So select the word itself and go to path, object to path, to disconnect it from this. Now let's delete this. Yes, now you see they are separate, and then we come to place this somewhere here, and then let's give this I gave this, I think this color here, let's give it or maybe this color here, something like this is okay. You can move it a bit somewhere here. So this is how you can design this maternity clinic logo in Inkscape. Thank you for watching. Please help me by subscribing to my channel, and please, if this helped you in any way, please give me a like. Thank you for watching, and please come again. Bye.